P8 Professional RC Drone with 4K HD. Product information. Fully upgraded flagship function experience, escape camera obstacle avoidance folding fuselage waypoint flight. 360 degrees all-round laser obstacle avoidance. Escape 4K quality records every wonderful moment, high-definition chip. Remote control dual-lens, built-in beauty camera, thousands of miles away, details are unobstructed, 90 degrees electronically adjustable lens. Freely switch between dual camera lenses and watch freely. Modular long life battery, easy to shoot, 1800V large capacity 3.7 mAh modular battery. Long battery life and easy replacement, intelligent power saving. Lightweight folding body design, easy to carry, folds flat, compact and lightweight, making it easier than ever to carry bulky drones. Intelligent and humanized gesture recognition. You can start taking pictures or videos with just one gesture, and the recognition distance is about 2 meters. Intelligent tracking, turn on the tracking function, lock the target through the app, track the target movement, turn on the aerial photography, and take tracking photos. Fly. Automatically set your favorite target as a hotspot. Fly around the target and fire bombs. Smart waypoint flight experience. Draw the flight waypoint you want on the map, and then immediately click the drawn waypoint to fly. Product description. Product color, P8 aerial photography drone. Folded size, 16x14x5 cm. Expanded size, 28x29x5 cm. Battery capacity, 3.7 V 1800 mAh. Battery life, about 15 minutes. Remote control distance, 500 meters. Remote control mode, handle remote control app control. Lens configuration, escape 4K pixels. Image transmission signal, 2.4G per 5G. Product packaging. 1 remote control drone. 1 remote control. 1 screwdriver. 1 battery, optional pack. Precautions. Please read the instructions carefully before use. If you are a beginner, experienced adult help is recommended. Watch out for the battery. Do not overcharge or overdischarge. Do not expose it to high temperature conditions. Do not throw it into fire. Do not play in water. Best Buy link description box. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.